Hello, my name is Heath Clark, founder of H. Clark Distillery down in Thompson Station. The Masters and Makers Trail is a collection of distilleries, breweries, and even a winery located right here in Williamson County. And the great thing about the Masters and Makers Trails and our members is that each location is just as unique and special as the communities in which they're located. Each member on the Masters and Makers Trail will offer you a tour and a tasting of their location. So when you visit, get ready to taste some fine bourbon, Tennessee whiskey, wine, and beer. And when you visit, you can get either a passport stamped at each location, or you can check in digitally. And once you visited all locations, there's a nice gift for you at the Franklin Visitor Center. So home for me is a small farm near Lynchburg, Tennessee. And I was lucky enough to have family working at Jack Daniel's. I really fell in love with the smell of whiskey long before I'd ever tasted any. You know, about 10 years ago, I wanted to start a distillery and couldn't because it was illegal to make whiskey in 92 of our 95 counties. I kind of thought that was silly and that I assumed the people that like to drink whiskey wouldn't mind if somebody made it. And so myself and some others teamed up and drafted some legislation that really opened up the whole state to craft distilling back in 2009. When you visit H. Clark Distillery, you can expect a warm welcome and a delicious glass of whiskey or gin. We're a small distillery. We make about 1 barrel of whiskey a week. From grain to glass, you can follow the process in one room. What's great about being in Williamson County for a distillery is that there's so much to do in our county. We're very fortunate to be located in another county with Leapers Fork Distillery and Arrington Vineyards and Mill Creek Brewery and Curio Brewery. When you come to Williamson County and set out on the Masters and Makers Trail, every visitor can expect to have a fantastic and memorable experience all across our fantastic county.